Okay, here I am in Dania, Florida, looking south from the Sheraton Street Bridge. That's Margaritaville, new hotel, it's not even open yet. Right now it's June 30th, 2015. That should open in a few months. I'm on a bike right here with my trusty steed, heading to Kolb Park. Not sure if it's a state park, but to the north here we've got Lauderdale. We got a plane taking off right there. There it is. And so this waterway connects to the intercoastal, which takes you out to sea. Skaters and bikers coming. So I'm going to head on over to the entryway. And that's a lookout tower. I'll be at the top of that hopefully in about 15 minutes. And here comes a biker now.